Hi, everyone. We are in this session, we are going to explain different new concepts in the statistical field. Statistic field. So here, the quartile. What we mean by quartile? Okay, quartiles. So there are many. We have a multiple quartiles. So we should know that, like we have a median. When the median divides a set into two parts with an equal number of scores in each, so normally that quartiles can be divided into divide our set into 4 parts with an equal number of scores. So we need one median to obtain 2 parts. So we need 2 numbers to obtain 3 parts. To obtain 4 equal parts, we need 3 numbers. These 3 numbers are the quartiles. The quartiles, we have 3 quartiles. So normally the lower, the middle, and the upper. We should know that the middle, denoted by Q index 2, is the same as the median. So the median Q2 is the middle score. It divides that into 2 equal groups. The upper quartile Q3 is the middle score of the upper groups. So first of all, we have this set. We find the median Q2. We have in this level, we have 2 groups. So the upper quartile is here. So is the middle score of the upper group, because this is the upper group. So this is Q3, and the Q1 is the lower score. So normally the lower group is the middle score of the lower group is Q1. Good. So we should know that the interquartile range IQR is the upper quarter, this one minus this one. In this way, we should know that we should have an idea that using the quartiles to find the range, the IQR is less affected by the outliers than the range of a given set. And for a large number of scores, we should know that 25% of the scores are less than Q1, and 75% of the scores of the given set is greater than Q1, above or after Q1. 50% because the Q2 is the median, so we have a 50 and 50 greater. For the Q3, we have a 75 by 25%. So we should know that the interquartile range is the measure of the spread of the middle 50%. So we have a 25, we have a 25 because the interquartile use the upper Q3 and the lower Q1. So normally we use the spread of the 50% inside or between Q1 and Q3. Okay, so easy. I want to explain, for example, how to find the quarters. We have different cases. In the first case, the number of scores is odd. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. When we have the total number of scores of a given set is odd, so easy to find the median. So easy to find the lower group and the upper group. How? We can use the cross out, or we can use from the left and the right, or we can use odd. So normally we have a 7 plus 1 is 8 divided by 2 is 4. So normally the fourth one, first, second, third, fourth. So this is the median Q2. This is the lower group, upper group. In the lower group, the middle score is for the lower quarter. So normally Q1 is 22. Here, the middle score of the upper group is the upper quarter. So is Q3. So normally easy to find Q1, Q2, and Q3. So when the lower, the upper are given, so it is very easy to find and to calculate the interquartile range. Okay, so it is easy also if the number of scores is even. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 divided by 2 will obtain a 5. So the fifth and the sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth and the sixth, the average of these two numbers is 5 because 5 plus 5 divided by 2 is 5. So the median Q2 is a 5. We have a 4 here and we have a 4 in the upper group. So good. Where is, for example, the middle score? We don't have a middle score. We have a 2 middle scores. So we find the average of 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 divided by 2 is a 3.5. So 3.5 for us is the lower quartile. Here we have a 2 middle scores. So normally the average 7 because 6 plus 8 divided by 2 is 7. So this is the upper quarter. So it is easy to find the upper and lower quarters. Okay, then the most important step is to calculate the interquartile range, the difference between Q3 and Q1. I adopted the same strategy to use and to find and to apply on the exercise 6, all about the median, the lower quarter, upper quarter, and interquartile range. So you should know that the outlier affect the range, but not the interquartile range. So normally are much less affected. The interquartile range is much less affected by the outliers than the range. Thank you for listening. These are the main idea of this section. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.